Hey guys, well, it is early morning before I'm starting work, but this is the adapter that I made. It's 1/8 inch plate. I dropped it off at Aberdeen. I wrote all my instructions down on it, and I left it with them. I dropped it off Thursday late afternoon, and yesterday I got this back. Oh, it's so nice. They threaded all the holes for the Mazda and then countersunk all the ones for the Volkswagen. So this thing will bolt up to the Volkswagen engine. All these bolts will be flush, and then I can run bolts in from the trans side into the adapter. And it's I even had them bore out, mill out. I don't know. They countersunk it so that I could put the dowels in for the transmission. So they do good work. I'm so freaking excited. I test fit it too. I put it on the Volkswagen. The holes are perfect. On my adapter, I made stuff like that. I filed this hole out and it wasn't quite centered. So, yeah, the guy, he did exactly what I asked him to do. And yeah, it's perfect. It lines up just great. Yeah, on this one, I was having issues. I had to file that out a little bit, and when I looked down, the center was offset by about a 16th. So I went to town on it with their paint marker, and yeah, they do really good work there. I'm very happy with them. Well, guys, I'm back out at the farm, back in the lathe. Got my truck rebuilt. I rebuilt this thing at work. It works so much better now. Took it completely apart, cleaned out every piece of it. It is so smooth, no binding at all. I can't quite get good enough a grip on it, but yeah, that's so much better now. Now I got to take the four-jaw to work and rebuild that, because that one, that's really stiff. There's two of them that are really hard to move, and they should not be that hard to move. So I'm going to do that. But right now, I got my V-belt, the Link V-belt, so I'm going to install the motor, install the belt, and then maybe we'll even fire it up tonight. That'd be sweet. I really want to find out if the breaker's going to pop as soon as I turn it on. And the only way to find that out is to try it. So try it we shall. Well, guys, got the link belt installed. This thing is flipping cool. I'll show you guys how to put it together, but yeah, very neat. And I ordered the 5-foot length off of Amazon. It was $70. That's Amazon.ca. The .com version was way cheaper because our dollar sucks. But yeah, I got a bunch left over. I do need two hands to do this though. Just because it's like you have to use two hands. But yeah, so I got the motor assembly attached, tensioned, and the belt on. So I'm so glad I didn't have to take that apart again. And I got it plugged in. So now I'm just gonna give her a quick once over. Oh, that's so smooth. Famous last words. Okay, there we go. There. Yeah, whatever. Mesh and whatnot. There. No, neutral. That's right. Neutral. No. Do not fire it up because I don't have gear oil in here. Maybe I could do a quick burp just to see if it slips or if the power goes out. Oh. We're in business. Yeah. So excited. Oh, this is good. Awesome. Okay, now I got to put some gear oil in this, and I should have some kicking around somewhere. I should. Might have to, where'd it go? Might have to use the rest of that. It's not going to need a whole lot, just up to the top of the sight glass, which actually is not that little amount, so. Yeah, but anyways, she fires up. I'm so excited. That's flipping awesome. So now I'm going to grab the 4-jaw, bring that into work, rebuild that. And, well, I guess I could put the tailstock on. But yeah, oh, so excited. So flippin' excited. There, clean lens makes for good focus. All good to go. Perfect. That is so awesome. I'm very relieved. Now I can start, well, once I put the gear oil in there, then I can start working on that pilot bearing adapter for the Mazda, because I really need to get that going. I still can't believe how awesome that plate is. I need 2 bolts for the lower corners, the little ear things that come out on the Volkswagen engine, just because they're not tapped. So, oh, apologize. I'll have to run a bolt through there and a nut on the backside. But the top 3 bolt in, and then I need to get a bunch of hardware for the Mazda transmission. So, but yeah, no, it's coming along pretty good. Well, guys, that is a very good success. I made my first trips with the lathe here. It's awesome. Please focus. Focus on that. Yeah. It's not the greatest finish. I still got to work on getting a better pulley so I can get more speed, because I don't think I got quite enough surface speed, or not enough speed in the motor to get a good my surface feet per minute up. But yeah, no, it's working. It's working good. I got to tram it in still, but I'm freaking beat. It was a very, very busy day at work today. So lathe is up and running. Just got to tram it, which is not a big deal, and then we'll be good to go. I'm very, very impressed with that link belt. That thing works fantastic. I don't know why I didn't buy one before. Well worth the money. It would have taken, well, the belt is, I think that one was like 15 or 18 bucks. And then the time it would have taken me to take that apart again, it wasn't worth my time to use that one again. So $68 or whatever shipped from Amazon. Can't go wrong. And I've got extra left over in case I wreck one or two, so decent. Anyways, guys, that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.